my name is Megan and I'm so excited because I'm going to share with you my new favorite palette, the Edge of Reality palette by KVD Vegan Beauty. Enter the edge of reality and escape to your imagination by creating countless makeup looks with these 14 beautiful vegan shades. There's beautiful mattes, wet dry shimmers, and special effects shades. There's so many things I love about this palette. It's 100% recyclable. It doesn't contain any mirrors, magnets, or hinges. Recycling it is super easy. Once you've used up all the eyeshadows in your palette, put your finger in the top right corner and pop the tray out. Make sure all of the eyeshadow pans are completely empty and then you're ready to recycle. Recycle the tray with plastics and the outer palette with paper goods. Now I'm going to apply a simple look. Ta-da! And the look is complete. This palette is seriously so versatile. You can create a huge range of looks with it, and I'll see you next time. Bye!